What's up guys, welcome to the M340i touring. As you might know, I've already done one mod with my car, which is the Venturi carbon fiber air intake, but now I also have installed an FI downpipe with a 200 cell cat. Now this is the best mod available for this car. I absolutely loved how it changed my M3, and with the M340i it's no different. The sound it now makes is so cool. And if you look at the stock downpipe and the FI one next to each other, you can really see why the sound is so much better. Which brings me to thanking Gijsbertse, BMW specialist, and also a BMW M340i exhaust owner, because he's the owner of that crazy M6 with the V10 with the FI exhaust. So we are here at Gijsbertse, and the first thing that caught my eye was this M3 GT E36, only 356 made. It's a BMW motorsport vehicle, so absolutely a rare vehicle, and a lot of carbon fiber. This is 1995, so let's just check this out. This is 1995 carbon. Absolutely awesome. These things are now worth like 80k. Now this is a really cool setup because it still feels, smells and looks like stock. And if you drive it in a normal fashion, it even sounds like stock. But if you give it some in sport mode, the exhaust valve of the stock exhaust opens up. And then there comes this orchestra of BMW straight sixness. It's so freaking nice. This is an OPF car, so the downpipe has changed, but we still have the OPF and all the stock silencers still left. So it's unbelievable that it's capable of producing this sound. I really like how they've been able to give it this classic BMW straight six sound, because it's so different from my M3. You might think that B58, S58 it might sound a bit the same, but it really doesn't. It's very unique both ways, and FI really embraces that and gives it the ultimate sound for both. And just have a listen. So to conclude, this M340i now sounds absolutely superb. Nobody knows it's this cool sounding. The police won't know because you don't see anything, you don't smell anything. If you do an MOT, you will pass because you still have a catalytic converter. I'm not getting any fault codes. I have not done any tuning or coding to make this downpipe work. No, it's just plug and play and enjoy. Can you imagine what would happen if I would put the complete FI exhaust on here? That would be awesome.